Well, welcome everybody to Sound of Worship. It's a new praise and worship show for everybody to enjoy. So my name is Ruth.
And my name is Sharon. We are here today to host Sound of Worship. And we just pray that today you are going to be blessed by the worship we give you today. God has chosen us and He is using us. But we are just empty vessels at the end of the day. But we are here to do God's work and God's work alone. So we just pray that whatever comes from us will resonate and go straight through you. And you don't see us standing and singing, but you just hear God's words. God's words. Because He wants you to hear these words. He wants you to hear these songs. He wants you to know that He is here. He wants you to know that He is alive. So I pray you are blessed by the sound of worship.
Amen. So what have you come to do, guys? Worship. What have you come to do? Worship. Amen. Amen. So that's our first song. Our first song is What Have You Come to Do?